In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to upload sales slips via Excel Uploader. Start by clicking ECOUNT tab at the top and login. In login window, you need to enter the same information you use when logging in ERP on the web, such as your company code, user ID, and password. After you log in, the buttons at the top will be activated. Click New Data and click Inventory. You can see the menus where you can batch upload slips, and this time select New Sales menu. And then, as you can see, the new sales spreadsheet will be created. You can see that some fields are bolded here, such as location out, item code, and name, transaction type, and quantity fields. The bolded fields are required fields, and you need to fill in data in those fields. So firstly, date field. Enter the slip date in 8 digits. In order field, if you want to enter multiple lines in a single slip, enter all the corresponding lines, and then give them the same number in the order field, so that they are created as a single slip. And as for the other fields, such as customer vendor, location out, and item, you can enter the basic codes that are registered in your ERP. And next, go to the right side and enter fields such as quantity, price, pre-tax amount, and tax. If you have difficulty remembering each item's item code, simply enter their item name, and then the program will automatically match those names to their codes. However, keep in mind that if several items have an identical name, you have to specify each item's code respectively. And then let's see how to actually enter data. Firstly, enter in slip date. And then enter in customer code. And for location out, since the corresponding warehouse's ERP location code is 100, enter 100. And then enter the item code of a sale item, and then another one. And this time I will enter the item name since I don't remember its item code. And then the price, $10 and $20 respectively. One thing to keep in mind here is that even if you enter quantity and price, the program will not automatically calculate the pre-tax and tax amount when uploading slips by batch. You must fill in pre-tax amount and tax fields within the spreadsheet. Otherwise, it will be uploaded as 0 pre-tax and tax amount. So $10 in pre-tax amount and $1 in tax, and $20 in pre-tax and $2 in tax. Then I'm going to set the date of each slip as August 1st and 2nd, 2020. And customer and location out fields, I will enter in the same information as the line above. This time as well, I'm going to enter the name of the customer, since I don't remember the exact code. The program will automatically match the name to the code of the customer. So I have entered all necessary information. And one thing to keep in mind is that even if you don't need some of the fields displayed here, you should not delete or modify them. Leave all the fields intact and just leave unnecessary fields blank and upload data. Editing the template will cause an error, and you should not change the input fields that are displayed here. Then click Transmit Data at the top. If you click on it, the results will be displayed in a pop-up window. And on the right side, you can see that OK messages have been displayed. So then we're going to verify that the sales slips have been successfully uploaded to ERP. Go to ERP screen and go to Inventory 1, Sales, Sales list. Here you can see 2 slips whose date is August 1st and 2nd that have been uploaded. Click on each slip's date number, and you can see the data that you entered in the Excel spreadsheet. For example, customer, location out, item, and quantity, price, pre-tax amount, and tax. So this is how you upload ERP slips by batch via ECOUNT Excel Uploader. And if you have a very large amount of slips to enter, our Excel add-in data upload function will be useful for you in particular. You can just enter data in each column in the spreadsheet and then click a button and batch upload up to 10,000 lines of data at once. And in addition to sales slips, you can batch upload slips of various other menus, such as quotation, sales order, purchase request, purchase order, and new purchase. So if you need to upload data to an inventory menu, select the menu, and the corresponding template will be downloaded. So please use this program to suit your needs.